In today's video, I am going to teach you how to format cells in Excel. Formatting cells is a simple way to make your spreadsheet easier to read and more useful. When you change the format of a cell, you are not changing the actual value inside it. You are changing the way that value appears on the screen. This is especially helpful when you are working with money, percentages, or dates, and you want Excel to display them in a clear, standard format. To begin, highlight the numbers you want to format. Click on the first cell, then drag across the range if you want to select multiple cells at once. If you only need to format one cell, just click that cell. Make sure you select the correct values before moving on, because the formatting will apply only to the cells you have highlighted. Next, go to the Home tab on the top ribbon. This is where many of the most commonly used Excel tools are located, including the options for changing how numbers are displayed. Once you are on the Home tab, look for the Number group. This section contains the main controls for number formatting. Inside the Number group, click the drop-down menu. In many cases, this menu will currently say General, which is the default format for cells in Excel. The General format does not apply any special display style, so numbers appear in a basic way unless you change them. After opening the drop-down, choose the preset style that fits your data. If you select Currency, Excel will format the numbers as monetary values and add a currency symbol. This is useful for prices, budgets, or financial data. If you choose Percentage, Excel will display the values with a percent sign, which is ideal for rates, growth, or completion amounts. If you choose Short Date, Excel will turn date values into a compact date format that is easier to scan and understand in a worksheet. As you select each option, Excel updates the highlighted cells right away, so you can instantly see the result. This makes it easy to try the format that best matches your data. If the display does not look the way you expected, check that the cells contain the right kind of value before applying the format. That covers everything you need to know.